Hi guys, it's me Immad from Charcoal and Gravel. We're at Outpost BYOB today and I'm about to build my own burger. So why don't you just come straight in? यार असल में गर्मी है, अंदर आ जाओ. Step 1, beef burger. So it's gonna be medium, obviously. Step 2, multigrain. Step 3, lettuce, onion and pickles. Step 4, extra cheese, man, extra cheese. English cheddar cheese. Step 5, honey mustard, and I think I'm gonna go with the homemade barbecue sauce. Step 6, sauteed mushrooms, caramelized onions, and a fried egg would do. Step 7, onion rings, and there you go. I think we should place the order now. So while we wait for the burger, I'm going to give you a little bit of a history lesson. So the first burger was made in somewhere around 1880s and it was made by a guy called Fletcher Davis. He was from Texas. He made this and today we have this. Aside from my soul, the burger is here, and I mean, would you just look at that? This looks so beautiful. Probably one of the juiciest burgers I've had in Pakistan till date. I mean, just look at that. You see the dripping. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Like a burst of flavors in your mouth. Man, I cannot describe the feeling I'm having. It's amazing. It's super.